Assalamualaikum my dear students. Assalamualaikum my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do page number 15. So we have from this line, his teeth chattered in his head as he seized me by the chin. So here the writer is saying the man means, as I told you, he is the prisoner. The prisoner is capturing the boy's chin. Can you see in the picture? While he was capturing, the man's teeth was making sound. Actually, he was doing anger. He shows anger. He was in a very aggressive way. He is now going to talk to boy. So now, while he was doing this scene, here I'm going to read the next line. What is happening? Oh, don't cut my throat, sir, I pleaded in terror. This line actually is of boy. The boy was saying, I was talking in a very requested way, or I was very frightened. You can see pleaded means requested. The boy was saying, oh sir, please don't cut my throat. Now the man was asking some of the question. Tell me what your name. So the line is, tell me your name, said the man. Quick. Now the robber, I mean to say the prisoner, was asking the boy's name. So he was asking, hello, just tell me what's your name. So the boy was saying in a very polite way, Pip, sir. Now, once more, said the man, I'm going to say, little boy, tell me your name again, staring at me louder. So now, the man's tone was very high. He was saying, hello, boy, you have to tell me your name again. What do you mean by Pip? As the boy, because the boy was not uttering his name. Actually, the robber is holding his chin or a neck. So here the man was asking the name of the Pip again. So Pip was repeating in two time. Pip was saying, sir, Pip, Pip. In this tone he was replying. Show me where you live, said the man. Point out the place. So the man was saying, little boy, you have to tell me, where is your house? Or you have to point out me. So when he was asking next question, first he was holding his chin, then he was asking, you have to tell me your name, then he was saying, where is your house? So now this line actually is of boy. I pointed to where our village lay, a mile from the church. So here the boy was pointing. Can you see? In this way he was pointing his house or his village, where it was where it lays. The man looked at me closely. This line is of boy. Boy was saying, the man looked at me in a very closely way, in a very close way. Then he turned me upside down and emptied my pocket. So when he was just putting, actually he was taking, he was looking in his pocket there, and he wants to take some of the money maybe. So what is happening next? There was nothing in them but a piece of bread. When he was checking his pockets, his pant pockets or maybe shirt pockets, there was nothing. There was no money. Only a piece of bread was there. The upside down view of the church righted itself when he placed me on a high tombstone. So here the boy was on the high tombstone. He was on the he was on the tombstone. Here he was sitting. In the next picture I will show on the next page, page number 16. When the boy was sitting there, this is the tombstone, this is the tombstone, clear? When the boy was sitting there, I sat trembling while he ate the bread ravenously. So when he was sitting in a very frightened way on the tombstone, the boy was sitting there, the man was eating bread in a very hungry, in a very hunger way, or in a very bad manner. He was eating bread, maybe in this way, clear? So what is happening next? Now look here, said the man, where are your parents? So when he was eating, while he was asking next question, where are your parents? There, sir, said I. He was saying, there, sir. The man jumped and made a short run. So when he was saying here means in this place, the boy maybe he was frightened the man maybe first he was frightened because he was saying maybe his parents are sitting or maybe hiding there. He didn't know first that they are no more. So he was jumping or maybe in a very short run, but then he stopped and looked over his shoulder. Then he think, or he got the point that the boy wanted to say they are no more. Clear? Dear sir, again he was saying, the boy saying, dear sir, I timidly said. In a very confident way, the boy said, dear sir, pointing to the tombstone. So now the boy was replying in a very, you can say in a very explaining way. He was saying, he was saying that there means in the tombstone. They lay in the tombstone means in the graveyard, or in the grave, actually not the graveyard, in the grave, because they are not in the world. Clear? So we have completed our page number 15. I'm